Hello lovelies, welcome to Ada's Delicacies. Merry Christmas. Today I'll be telling you how to make proper Nigerian beans today. So stay tuned. So first thing first, that's the beans. It's the Nigerian brown beans. I have plantain here. I put it in the beans as well. And I've got salt. I've got crayfish. Then I have my seasoning here, Maggi crayfish. Then I've got palm oil. And then sweet corn. I had sweet corn to my beans. So let's get started. We'll wash the beans. Put the beans on the fire. That's it, on the gas, and bring to boil for up to 35 minutes. So we'll boil for about 5-10 minutes, then we'll sieve out excess water from the beans. And the reason I sieve out excess water from the beans is you never know where they get the beans from, and especially with the pesticides they use in growing the beans and all that to preserve it. I like to sieve out my water. That's it. So put water back in the beans and then allow it to boil for like 30 minutes to soften down. Yeah, that's the beans there. So you open up the pot and check it's already boiling and already getting softened. You have the sweet corn. I like to add the sweet corn because it gives it the kind of taste I like. I like to add veggies to it. So stir the beans. Looks really good. Then cover it up, allow to boil for 10 minutes. So open up the beans, add your seasoning. Add your crayfish. That's the crayfish, it's already been blended. And stir. The seasoning will dilute in the beans. Don't worry about it. It will soften on the beans. Cover again and cook. Okay, there we go. You add the palm oil and let it be hot for a little bit, not too hot. Then I slice some onions here. We'll add some onions to it. I like to add a lot of onions in my food because it brings out the taste of the food. There is a bit. You have pepper mix. I blended tomatoes, habanero pepper, and scotch bonnet, onions all together. So I had a bit of pepper mix in it. You can put any quantity you want, depending on how much you want it. So you stir and allow it to simmer for about 10-15 minutes. So here is the beans boiling. It's almost softened now, and the plantain has been added. I just shredded the plantain and added it. So what I do is with the pepper mix, I add the pepper mix in it. And then stir it. Stir. And then add the salt to stir and allow to cook. Stir it. The beans is coming out nicely now. Yummy. It's coming out really nicely. So just allow it to simmer for about 2-3 minutes, and then the beans and plantain is ready. So here is the finished look. This is the way my beans looks like with the plantain. Looks really good. So please, if you enjoyed this video, please like this video, share with your friends and families, leave a comment down below, and also please subscribe. Click the notification button so that whenever I upload videos, you can always be the first to see it. So thank you. Have a lovely, jolly, Merry Christmas.